Hello, this is Paula. I'm a Spanish digital artist who currently specializes in children's illustration and visual development art. I have loved drawing and creating for as long as I can remember, and it is a passion of mine finding new ways to observe, understand, and communicate. I think one of the most fun things about drawing is learning how to translate the reality that surrounds us into a piece of artwork. As artists, we learn how to navigate our unique perspectives of the world and reassemble the fragments in order to bring our creations to life. I strongly believe we all have the capacity to create and so much to share with others. In this class, we will learn everything from coming up with a color palette and a very rough first sketch to finer details and finishing touches. We will also learn how to make light, texture, and color work in our favor when creating beautiful and immersive illustrations. I'm so excited that I got this chance to learn with you. I'm Paula, and this is Escaping to a Dreamlike World with Class 101.